Hi, what's up, buddy? Welcome to Rich Life Insider. Today we're gonna talk about three stocks that I'm buying in June. If this is your first time to Rich Life Insider, we talk about stock investing, real estate investing, crypto trading, and how to make more money. So if you want to make more money, you can subscribe to our channel and turn on the post notification so you do not miss out any of our videos. Get free stocks, cryptos, and audiobooks in the description and comment below. So a lot of people say, especially the beginners, they think that the long term is like 3 months or 3 weeks. Anything below 12 months, I would say 6 months, 9 months. Anything below 12 months is gonna be short term. So when I say long term, it's gonna be 1 year and late and longer. So these are the three stocks that I really like personally, and I have positions in these three stocks. I intend to hold them for 3 years or longer. So if you're watching this now, you are my GFs. No, it's not what you think. GFs mean you are my good friends. Comment down below if you are watching this at this time. So I really know who's gonna be my really good friends. So I talked about three dividend stocks in March. In March, if you haven't watched it, you can go and watch it. So I'm gonna give you this stock as a bonus. So this stock is gonna be Foot Locker. Foot Locker in March, I talked about it. It was only $52 at the time. Started buying Foot Locker in August 2020. So that was only about $30 at the time. So they pay dividend, and their market cap is only 5.43 billion. So their 52-week low is 17.46. So if you look at it, Foot Locker right now, the price is right now is $63.39. So if it's 22% appreciation since when my videos came out. So if you bought it, let me know, comment down below. So I bought it, so it's just easily double my money in just 1 year. And Nike, I think Foot Locker can go up more because just look at Nike. Nike jumped 15%, hit record high. As 50 billion says, outlook tops expectations. So a lot of people started buying new sneakers and new apparels because they want to go out. Everybody was staying at home in last year, but even so, Nike had a really, really good e-commerce business. So it did pretty well. So now Nike's, a lot of people are gonna be going out again. So this business is booming. So Foot Locker is in a similar business. It's a retail store. Foot Locker sells shoes as well. Shoes and apparels. So I believe Foot Locker could do really well. And stock number three. The company's motto is Save the Shire. Save the Shire means that saving the earth from the terrorists, or making the earth a better place. So this motto came from the Lord of the Rings movie. So the Lord of the Rings movie also has crystal ball. It has a name. So this appeared 8 times in the movie. So what does it do? It tells you the future and the past in a different world. So do you know the name of this crystal ball? If you know this, you should know this company. This is the logo of the company. It is Palantir. It's Palantir companies. So their company is based in Denver, Colorado. It was founded in 2003 and headquartered in Denver, Colorado. It's an AI software platform for intelligence community in the U.S. and to assist in counterterrorism investigations and operations. And they also assist UK government to roll out the vaccine, COVID-19 vaccine, as well. So they also assisted US government in rolling out the COVID-19 vaccine as well. So I bought this when it was only $15, around $15. This is already 78.53% jump appreciation. So and people ask me, hey, will you sell this stock? No, why not? It's stock triple my money, 45. I bought it in November 2020, but in January it was 45. So if I did not sell it, it means that it's gonna appreciate more. Believe this stock is gonna be at least five times my money. So 3 times money is not bad. If you invest 1,000, it's gonna be 3,000. But I believe this company has a future, so I'm gonna be hold it for the long term. So what is my opinion? The big data is gonna be future. Augmented intelligence, artificial intelligence. So the Palantir is gonna be really good at it. So they work with governments around the world. So the governments, they are usually very, very sticky. They have a sticky revenues. So once you get a government contracts, this contract can roll out for multiple years, and not only the governments. So if you have war with one government, the U.S. government or U.K. governments, there are so many European countries. So they know that Palantir was with U.K. or was with U.S. government, CIA, FBI. Great, we need those guys' services. And not only that, if the governments war with this company, the other companies, commercial companies, gonna trust Palantir much more, because it's not easy to get a government's contract. So sticky revenue, I really like it. So my intended holding period is 3 years or longer. Of course, all investment have risk. You can make a lot of money or lose all your money. This is not a financial advice to buy or sell this stock. Do your research before buying or selling. I'm just sharing this my opinion, information, entertainment purposes only. So stock number 2, live fit. So that means this has something to do with fitness, right? Absolutely. So it says here fitness drink. They have a different types of brands. If you go into Walmart or Kroger, HEB, you will see says here. You can grab some of them. If you already tried this one, comment down below that if you have already tried Celsius. So Celsius is based in Boca Raton in Florida. So they changed the name from Vector Ventures to Celsius Holdings in January 2007. So which is good name. I prefer Celsius. So it's easy to remember. It represent the energy drink, the soda, much better than Vector Ventures. Nobody knows what Vector Venture is. It was founded in 2004. Full-time employees, they only have about 154 employees. So Celsius Holdings. So it appreciated 46% year to date. So Palantir is only 14%. So it hit $83 in June 7. June 7, it's only 5 billion company. If you look at Monster Energy, it's 48 billion, so 10 times bigger than Celsius. So Celsius is taking market share from Monster Energy and other energy drink brands, sports brand. So I believe Celsius could be, just imagine if it's just 5 times, not even 10 times. 5 times, it could easily 5 times my money from here. So if you invested 1,035.5 years ago in Monster Energy, you will have 708,000 today. 708,000. That's pretty big. So Celsius. So I like it. So I sent out a alert to my stock membership clubs on January 8. It was only $56 at the time. So Celsius, if you bought it at the time, you are appreciated 47% in 6 months. Congratulations if you are watching, if you are a stock members. So 1,000 became $47. It's not too late yet. I added more to my position recently, so it's not too late to buy. If you are my audience, yeah, absolutely. I've been adding this stock for quite some time. So my opinion of Celsius business was good during the pandemic. And now gyms are reopening and all the sports activities are coming back again. So absolutely, it's gonna do much better in my opinion. Sports are coming back: baseball, football, soccer, everywhere. Athletes, they like Celsius. So gyms, if you go to gyms and open a fridge in the gyms, you will see Celsius as well. So my intended holding period is 3 years or longer. Yep, so do your own research before buying or selling any security. This is not a financial advice. So stock number 1, the world's World Marketplace. What is that? This is the CEO of the company, Hayden Brown, CEO of the company. So do you have any clue? If you want to look for a job, you can look for a job here. If you're a company looking for a talent, you can look for a talent here. So as well, if you can comment down below what that company is. This is also, the color is also green, so it has to be Upwork. Yeah, it's an Upwork company. So it's based in Santa Clara, California. Full-time employees, 540 employees. So it used to name as a ELS ODAS. So it's a freelancer online marketplace. If you are a freelancers, you want to look for a contract job. It can be 2 hours, 3 hours, 10 hours job, you can look for a job there. If you are companies employers, you want a short-term contractors, you can look for it easily. You don't need to worry about HR. You don't need to all the rules and regulation. That's really great. So very easy. So it was incorporated into us that thing. It just changed the name to Upwork. So I believe it's a better name than Elas or Des. So Upwork is only $7 billion company. So 52 high is $63.88. So Upwork this is a super growth stock alert in my stock member clubs. Palantir Patrons, I sent out alert on May 24. It was only 43.34 at the time. So congratulations if you bought it and you already made 30% in 1 month, 10,000 to 13,000. So I still has more runway, so I'm thinking about adding more. I've been adding Upwork in June as well. So what's my opinion? Freelance economy has so much potential. I'm not even thinking about selling this. This could be my 10 times money stock. So I will be holding for 5 years or longer. So this is one of my favorite stock. Up there with the Tesla. So one of my biggest position stock as well. So this is not a financial advice. You can make money or lose money. Do your own research before buying or selling any security. So I hope you enjoyed this video. You can get free stocks of crypto in the description. If you want to join stock member clubs, you can check out the link down below. Get free stocks and open an account. If you want to become a realtor, I put a link down below as well. If you want to switch to the cheaper mobile plan, it's only $15 a month. You can switch down below as well. The best credit card, everything is down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.